Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So while I was going through and editing the video, I noticed there was a clip from this day and a clip from that day. So what I decided to do is kind of like talk around so you guys know what happened. So in the first clip that I'm going to show you guys, basically it was between the time of me graduating and then between the time of me moving out of my apartment. So I was kind of stood back and forth here in Durham. So here's that. All right, guys. So I'm officially a graduate. I did not vlog the whole, I guess, experience just because I think I just wanted to like be in the moment, and I don't know, it would have been hard for me to enjoy that particular day if I wasn't like in the moment. So I'm back with the vlogs. I'm officially going to be vlogging. But basically, yeah, I'm headed to American Eagle. I have to return a few things, and then I'm going to the bank, and yeah, then I'm thinking about, so I have like this bag of clothes in my trunk. So I'm thinking about going through it and seeing what I do and don't want. So, could you go? So, yeah, there's that. So write down in the comments if you guys are graduating, graduated, what year you're expected to come out, all that good stuff. So yeah, I will talk to you guys when I'm actually inside the mall. So yeah, when I started vlogging before, I was at the mall, but like now I'm at the mall. Oh my god. So I'm trying to think of something to talk about, guys, because I'm a little rusty when it comes to vlogging. I think I'm probably gonna do a curly hair video on how, I don't know, I don't want to keep doing like curly hair routines, and this is mainly how I wear my hair. So we'll see. I might do a video today on how I refresh curls and stuff. So as you can see, I didn't finish vlogging that day, but like I said, I went into American Eagle and all that good stuff, and I probably did get food. I'm not 100% sure because I don't remember. Ouch. I'm sitting on my foot. But anyways, so in this next clip that I'm going to show you guys, basically what happened was, it was one day I felt really, actually it was the same day that I filmed my Can I Be Honest video. Yeah, this was maybe a couple days after the last clip you guys just saw. So yeah, I'm going to roll this clip so you guys can kind of understand like the chronological order of things. Okay guys, so if you remember the last vlog that went out, I was organizing, I was packing up my apartment to move out. So now this stuff is just kind of like all everywhere. I'm gonna show you guys like a video of it, and then I'm going to organize it, show you guys how I kind of like organize stuff, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after. I just organized all of my dishes. Basically, I just added some of the dishes that didn't come the first time back into the crate that they're in. So I'm gonna go like bin or hamper by hamper and like make sure everything is where it needs to be. So like this is dishes, this is more so bathroom stuff, just to make sure everything has it's in its like section, if that makes sense. So guys, it's been a while since I was last on camera. It's still the same day, and I'm like kind of oily because I was outside most of the time, just like doing peaceful things, honestly. Like I drew a little bit and I wrote a poem, you know, stuff like that. Anywho's, so my hair looks a little wild because I wanted to do something different with my hair, but since I'm donating it, it's kind of difficult to do anything to my hair. So this is temporary. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's temporary hair color. And I got it because I need something different in my life right now. And this is it. And if this doesn't take, we're gonna dye it again. So yeah, don't mind my hair. It's gonna be like this. So the directions say that I apply it to a comb. Let me show you all the comb that get. Uh-oh. This is the comb they gave me. Look at these teeth. What am I gonna do with what am I gonna do with this comb? So I went and got my comb. You see the difference in the teeth? Like this, like this product isn't just for like silky hair people. Like, come on now. So I'm just gonna wing it for real. I don't have many gloves. I'm gonna put it on like just random like streaks. I'm not gonna do like all one color. I'm gonna like do like different sections just to see if it takes. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna keep it on. It doesn't even say like how long to keep it on. So there's like a little bit left like in the packet, and it stained my nose a little bit and it stained my hand. I don't think I'm gonna see any results just because my hair is really thick. I don't think the color took, and I think this was an epic fail, but we shall see. And then also I forgot to mention the directions said wash out with soap and water, and that was just like really generic of like instructions. So what I might do is say screw it all, go to the beauty supply store and get like some Manic Panic purple hair dye and just like do different parts of my hair because I need something different. So I'm gonna put this in a bun and I'm gonna go chill. And then I'm gonna you know, wash it out with conditioner and not soap, because the direction said soap. And then we're gonna come back, and this is my life right now. Anywho's, also to add insult to injury, I got this from Dollar Tree because I was like, you know what, I'm not doing anything, let me just buy something, you know. So I don't know, it might not show up, we shall see together. I think I'm gonna be disappointed and I'm gonna want my dollar back, but it's just an experiment all summer 2018, you know, especially with the hair, because like sis is bored with her hair. I've been bored with my hair. All right, so that was probably the longest clip. So in this next clip, what you guys are seeing is basically me coming back from a job interview, my final job interview. I've had 3 interviews, which I'm not sure if I stated in this clip, but yes, I had 3 interviews. I had a phone interview, a interactive interview, and then a formal interview. So currently I have yet to hear back to see the final, you know, decision to those interviews, but let's keep our fingers crossed. So yeah, I'm just kind of coming back from that interview and driving. So I talked to you guys a little bit about that. Hey guys, so today is, what is today? I want to say today is Friday. Yeah, today is Friday. I just left the interview. I'm not going to tell you guys like all the ins and outs of the interview, but I've just been really going through it. So, which is why I haven't been vlogging. I do have videos coming out for you guys, just not, I haven't currently like been vlogging or anything. So I've made a post on Twitter. A lot of you guys probably don't follow me on Twitter, but basically the post said I forgot who I was, and I think for some reason, like every so often, like I'll just go through these spells where I'm just like, I feel like I'm stuck basically, and I have to like stop doing that, because it's like I feel like I truly forget who I am and the things that I've accomplished and what's out there for me. So I had to come to Durham because this job starts in August, and it's gonna be the job that I'm gonna have during the school year. If you guys don't know, I did graduate from undergrad, but I am going back for my graduate degree in clinical psych. So this car is just, what are you doing? You're not even really like on the road. What are you doing? I really try not to honk at people, y'all, but when you driving like this and you not like really going, and you like really just taking your time when there's people behind you and stuff, it really does like blow me. So anyways, I will talk to you guys when I get home. And then the very, very last clip is clearly I have a new hairstyle, which was a more recent clip. I have these braids, and you can see what they look like without my bandana on. Hey guys, so I'm in the car. I feel like I only vlog now in the car, which is not on purpose, but that's just how things seem to work out. So I'm on the way to work. If you guys don't know, I do like still work like other jobs. I don't just do YouTube. So today I just worked from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's only like a 2-hour shift. I don't know why I was scheduled like that, but I'm not gonna complain, because honestly I'll be ready to go after 2 hours anyway. So this weekend was my mother's birthday weekend. Her birthday was the 8th. That was Friday, I think. It was Friday. I also had the final interview for a job that I really, 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 really want. I'm not going to tell you guys what job it is, because I just don't want to jinx myself. But when I do get it, I'll let you guys know, because it's the perfect job. It's kind of similar to what I was doing at the YMCA, and I love my job at the YMCA. But this is just more like a step up from the YMCA. So yeah, just wanted to check in with you guys. Hopefully this won't be the only clip I get today, because I tend to do that. I tend to like vlog one clip for a day and then completely forget that I was vlogging. So hopefully that's not the case, but I will talk to you guys a little bit later. And I wanted to say before I end this video that I'm so sorry that I start clips and never end them. Sometimes my days just get really hectic, but from now on, I normally just delete them, but from now on, I'm just gonna get up here, tell you guys what happened that day, so that way you guys don't miss out on what I'm doing. I still get to put out video footage, and we both win. Also, I'm looking forward to posting every day. It's a decision I just kind of decided to go with. But yeah, I will be posting every day. Hopefully I can keep this promise to you guys. But yeah, that was the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me, and I will see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye.